In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to your Shopify. So inside of the admin page, we are going to be looking at the left side right here to the Shopify App Store. You can either open it this way or by typing Shopify App Store inside of Google. So once you have opened the Shopify App Store, we are going to be looking for Google Fonts. It's the most used one and it's the most reliable. So you can see right here, click on install. Once you are in this page, click on install once again. Once the app has installed successfully, all you will have to do is click on the customize app button right here. And the setup is pretty easy to do. Now on the left side, click on add new and you can either choose Google font or custom font. However, for custom fonts, you will need to upload the font package to the website. So click on Google Fonts right here. Once you have done that, what you can do is change the font. Click on change and you can look for the one that you'd like. You can load more and you'll see a lot of options. So for example, let's choose this option. Click on select. You can choose the elements that you would like, for example, heading number 1, and then click on enable. You should be good to go. So let's change the title. For example, let's do test. And once we go back right here, we can click on enable, and this is going to enable this font. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.